Aspose CAD Watermark Stamper allows you an easy solution for stamping watermarks on your images. First, you need to upload a file or a range of files to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the files all together. After uploading completes, you can review the uploaded files and optionally cancel some of them for processing. Now you can select from a range of output file formats to convert your sources into. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose CAD is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. You can specify the watermark text and the watermark color to put on the input images. When you are ready to process, just click the process button, and then you can download the converted files. You can also skip waiting for the completion result and specify an email to send the conversion result to. This is especially useful if you have a batch of files to process. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.